They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but is that really true, or just something we've all heard so many times that we've come to accept it without question? The idea of breakfast as essential is deeply rooted in our culture, shaping how we think about food and health from a young age. For generations, we've been told to start our day with a hearty meal to fuel our bodies and minds. From busy parents making sure their kids eat before school, to advertisements promising energy and focus, breakfast has been painted as the secret to a successful day. But what's really on our plates, and does it matter as much as we think? But what if it's not just about eating, but eating the right things? The choices we make in the morning can have a ripple effect, influencing our mood, our energy, and even our long-term health. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about making every bite count. The morning meal is a strategic choice, one that can set the tone for your entire day. Whether you're rushing out the door or taking a moment to savor your food, what you eat can make all the difference between feeling sluggish or sharp. Two key nutrients are at the center of this decision: fiber and protein. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the building blocks of a breakfast that can truly support your body's needs. In one corner, fiber, the unsung hero of digestion. It keeps things moving, helps you feel full, and even supports heart health. Yet, it's often overlooked in favor of more flashy nutrients. In the other, protein, the powerhouse of muscle and repair. It's essential for building and maintaining your body, and it can help keep hunger at bay for hours. Each promises to keep you full and focused, but which is truly essential for a great morning? Is it better to load up on fiber, or should you prioritize protein, or is the real answer somewhere in between? Choose poorly, and you might crash before your second cup of coffee. That mid-morning slump isn't just in your head, it's often the result of what you ate or didn't eat when you woke up. Choose wisely, and you'll have steady energy and focus. The right breakfast can help you power through meetings, workouts, or whatever your day throws at you, without feeling hungry or distracted. So, let's dive into the science behind these breakfast champions. We'll break down what makes fiber and protein so important, and how you can use them to your advantage. By the end, you'll know how to build a breakfast that works for you, one that fits your lifestyle, your goals, and your taste buds. Let the breakfast battle begin. It's time to find out which nutrient deserves the crown, and how you can make your mornings better, one bite at a time. Let's talk about fiber. It's one of those nutrients that doesn't always get the spotlight, but it quietly works wonders for your body every single day. Most people think of fiber as something you only need if you want to stay regular, but its benefits go far beyond that. It's not just for bran muffins. Fiber is the structural part of plants, and your body can't digest it. That might sound like a bad thing, but it's actually what makes fiber so special, because your body can't break it down. Fiber passes through your digestive system, helping everything run smoothly. That's its magic. Fiber travels through your system, keeping your gut healthy and regular. It acts like a gentle internal scrub brush, cleaning things out and supporting the good bacteria in your gut, which are essential for overall health. There are two main types, soluble and insoluble. Each plays a unique role in your health, and both are important to include in your diet. Soluble fiber acts like a sponge, forming a gel in your stomach that slows digestion and helps you feel full. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks before lunch, and it can even help regulate blood sugar and lower cholesterol. It's found in oats, apples, beans, and citrus fruits. Adding these foods to your breakfast can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Insoluble fiber is more like a broom, adding bulk and helping food move through your digestive tract. It's especially helpful for preventing constipation and keeping your digestive system in top shape. You'll find it in whole wheat flour, nuts, and vegetables. These foods are easy to add to your morning routine, whether it's a slice of whole grain toast or a handful of nuts in your yogurt. Why does this matter for breakfast? Because the first meal of the day sets the tone for your energy, mood, and focus. A fiber-rich breakfast helps you avoid energy crashes and keeps you feeling satisfied for hours. Starting your day with fiber sets a slow, steady pace, keeping you satisfied and your digestion on track. It's a simple way to support your metabolism and help your body function at its best. Soluble fiber prevents mid-morning crashes, while insoluble fiber keeps things moving. Together, they help you feel light, energized, and ready to take on whatever the day brings. Fiber isn't just filler, it's a foundation for a great day. It supports your gut, your heart, and even your immune system. Add it to your breakfast, and you'll notice the difference. Try mixing berries into your cereal, sprinkling seeds on your toast, or choosing whole grain options whenever you can. It's a simple way to boost your health from the very first meal. Over time, these small choices add up, making you feel better both inside and out. Don't underestimate the power of fiber. It's a tiny change with a huge impact, and it's easier to add to your routine than you might think. It's the unsung hero your breakfast needs, so give fiber the attention it deserves and start your day strong. A fiber-rich breakfast does more than keep you full. Soluble fiber can lower LDL cholesterol, reducing your risk of heart disease. It also feeds your gut microbiome, supporting immunity and reducing inflammation. So, how do you get more fiber in the morning? Start with oatmeal. Use rolled or steel-cut oats, and top with berries and chia seeds. Try a smoothie with spinach, apple, berries, and psyllium husk. Whole wheat toast with avocado or nut butter is another easy option. Even a bowl of high-fiber cereal with fruit works. The key: layer whole grains, fruits or veggies, and seeds or nuts. That's how you build a breakfast that's both delicious and functional. Fiber is easy to add, and your body will thank you. Make it a habit, and you'll feel the benefits all day. Now let's talk protein, the heavyweight of breakfast. Protein is essential for every cell in your body, from muscles to skin to blood. Your body can't store protein, so you need a steady supply. When you eat protein, it's broken down into amino acids, your body's building blocks. After a night of fasting, a morning dose of protein helps repair and build tissues. It's especially important for maintaining muscle as you age. Protein also has a higher thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. A protein-rich breakfast can boost your metabolism and keep you full for hours. It's not just about feeling full. Protein actively supports your body's most critical functions. Think of it as the foreman of your body's construction crew. Start your day with protein, and you'll notice the difference in energy and focus. It's a simple way to invest in your health. Don't skip it. How do you get more protein in your breakfast? Eggs are a classic. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, they're a complete protein. Pair eggs with whole wheat toast for a balanced meal. Greek yogurt is another powerhouse. Double the protein of regular yogurt. Top it with berries or nut butter for extra nutrition. Cottage cheese is a filling, high-protein option. For savory breakfast, try leftover chicken or turkey in a whole wheat wrap with veggies. Smoked salmon on whole grain bread is another great choice. Plant-based. Tofu scramble or a protein shake with plant protein powder, almond milk, and fruit works well. The key is to plan ahead and be creative. A protein-rich breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. Mix and match to find what works for you. Your body will thank you. Let's compare fiber and protein head-to-head. Both keep you full, but in different ways. Protein triggers hormones that signal fullness and curb appetite for hours. Fiber, especially soluble, forms a gel that slows digestion and keeps you satisfied. High-fiber foods also require more chewing, which increases satisfaction. For blood sugar, fiber slows absorption, preventing spikes and crashes. Protein digests slowly and helps blunt blood sugar responses when eaten with carbs. Think of fiber as the brake pedal and protein as steady power. Together they provide stable energy and lasting fullness. They're not opponents, they're partners. Use both for the best results. That's the secret to a breakfast that works. The real magic happens when fiber and protein join forces. On their own, each is powerful, but together, they create a breakfast that's truly next level. This combination is the secret to starting your day with energy and satisfaction that lasts for hours. They're the dynamic duo of breakfast, better together than alone. When you pair fiber-rich foods with high-quality protein, you get a meal that not only tastes great, but also supports your body and mind. Combine them for a meal that keeps you full, focused, and energized. You'll notice fewer cravings, steadier energy, and improved concentration throughout your morning. Try oatmeal made with milk or soy milk for extra protein. This simple swap boosts the protein content and makes your breakfast even more satisfying. Stir in Greek yogurt or protein powder, and top with berries and nuts. These additions not only add flavor and texture, but also pack in more nutrients and keep you feeling full longer. Or, make an omelet loaded with fiber-rich veggies and serve with whole grain toast and avocado. The veggies add fiber, while the eggs and toast provide protein and complex carbs for lasting energy. Even smoothies can be optimized. Start with a protein base, add leafy greens, berries, chia seeds, and flaxseed. This way, you get a creamy, delicious drink that's packed with both fiber and protein. Every component works together for maximum satiety and stable blood sugar. This balance helps prevent energy crashes and keeps you feeling your best. This is how you turn a simple breakfast into a nutritional powerhouse. With just a few thoughtful choices, your morning meal can fuel your body and mind for whatever the day brings. Don't settle for just one, combine both for the best results. Mixing and matching different sources of fiber and protein keeps things interesting and delicious. Your breakfast should work as hard as you do. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a workout, a balanced meal sets you up for success. Experiment with combinations to find your favorite. The possibilities are endless, and you might discover new flavors and textures you love. Make your morning meal a masterpiece. Take a moment to enjoy the colors, flavors, and nourishment you've created. That's how you win the breakfast game, by fueling your body, delighting your senses, and starting your day with intention and joy. There's no one-size-fits-all breakfast. Your needs depend on age, activity, and health goals. Most people don't get enough fiber. Adults should aim for 25-38 grams daily, but most get only about 15. Processed foods are the main culprit. Make a conscious effort to add fiber to your breakfast. Protein needs vary too. Aim for at least 20-30 grams at breakfast, especially if you're active or building muscle. Spread protein intake throughout the day for best results. Start with these principles, then experiment. Pay attention to how you feel. Adjust fiber and protein until you find your ideal balance. Your body will give you feedback. Listen to it. Use your own experience to craft the perfect breakfast for you. Personalize your plate for energy, focus, and satisfaction. The breakfast battle is over, and you're the winner. You now have the knowledge to build a better breakfast. It's not fiber versus protein, it's teamwork. Fiber manages your digestion and energy. Protein rebuilds and satisfies. Together, they're unstoppable. Break out of your breakfast rut. Add nuts to yogurt. Swap white bread for whole grain or top toast with an egg. Small changes make a big difference. Be a culinary explorer. Try cottage cheese bowls, tofu scrambles, or loaded smoothies. See breakfast as your first chance to do something good for your body. Fuel your brain and set a positive tone for the day. Use science, protein, and fiber to craft a meal that's delicious and satisfying. The perfect breakfast is yours to create. Mix good ingredients, knowledge, and a willingness to try new things. The dream team awaits. Enjoy your morning masterpiece.